Good morning, 7th grade. Today we're going to continue with Unit 6. We're going to study Lesson 6, Interrogative Pronouns. We're going to use as a reference pages 296 to 298 of your English book. Let us begin. Interrogative Pronouns. Why do we use interrogative pronouns? We use interrogative pronouns to ask questions. So we're going to learn the interrogative pronouns who, whom, whose, what, and which. We use who when we're talking about the subject of the sentence. Who took the book? He took the book, for example. Whom is when we refer to the object. Whom is she talking about? She's talking about him. Him being an object pronoun. Whose? Person, possessive. When we're talking about ownership. Whose car is this? This is his car, okay? Possession. What? A thing. What do you want for lunch? I want pizza for lunch. Which, when we talk about a person or thing, which of them is the tallest? Which color do you prefer? I prefer red, for example. So again, we're going to study who, whom, whose, what, and which. So we're going to learn the difference between who or whom. How can we figure out which interrogative pronoun to use? Well, we're going to rearrange the question so we can figure out which is the correct one. Try rearranging the question. If the pronoun is a predicate pronoun, use who. Again, if the pronoun is a predicate pronoun, use who. If it is an object, use whom. Examples: who is the newspaper editor? The newspaper editor is who. Predicate pronoun, okay? Remember that a predicate pronoun is, you have a predicate pronoun if you have a linking verb. If before the word you have a linking verb. Whom did Connie interview? Connie interviewed whom? A direct object. We have a direct object when you have the verb interviewed and then whom after the verb. Let's keep going. Now, another way in which you can figure out if you're using who or whom is depending on the answer. If the answer is he, use who. If the answer is him, use whom. You can use she or her as well, but using he or him is a simpler test. Who won the prize? Him won the prize? No. He won the prize. That's the correct answer. To whom was the prize given? He was given the prize, or the prize was given to him. If you answer and the answer is a subject pronoun, you're going to use who. If you answer and the answer is object pronoun, you're going to use whom, okay? How about a whose and who is? Be careful not to confuse the interrogative pronouns whose with the contraction who is. The interrogative pronoun whose is this copy. Remember that whose, we use it when we are speaking about possession, ownership. And who is a contraction. Who is reading that copy? Okay, let's keep going. With the difference between whose and who is. Whose is a possessive pronoun, okay? And who is always going to be a contraction. Whose car is this? We're speaking about possession. Whose notebook was stolen in the class? Possession, ownership. Examples of who is driving the blue car? Who is to be responsible, right? Let's go to the try it out. It says, 1. Who or whom won the football match? Answer the question in your head and tell me if you're going to use who or whom. Correct. He won the football match. So it's is a subject pronoun, so we're going to use he won the football match. It would be who won the football match. Number 2, who or whom shall we ask when we get there? Think about it. Answer the question. How can I answer the question? It could be we should ask him. So what would the answer be? Exactly, will be whom. Whom shall we ask when we get there? 3, did they take or whose did they take? Think about it. Possession, right? Whose did they take? 4, which is the greater or what is the greater? Exactly, which is the greater? And 5, which or what is that you have made? Exactly, what is that you have made? Great, guys. I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please use Google Classroom. Have a great day